As we count down the final hours of the year, I want to take a moment to talk about something most all of us think about this time of year: change. The new year can feel like a blank slate, like a chance to hit reset and set intentions for the version of ourselves that we truly want to be. And if one of your goals is improving your health, whether it's having more energy, feeling stronger, preventing or reversing chronic conditions, you're in good company. In this video, I want to give water to that little seed of change that's growing inside most all of us right now. As you're preparing for the new year, or if you're watching this after the new year, I want you to give attention to these 4 areas as you are preparing to make changes. Number 1, reflect on the past. Before we dive into the new, let's truly take a moment to reflect on the past year and ask yourself, what's one thing or several things that you did this year that you're proud of? And what's at least one area you'd like to improve on? Now, you're probably doing a lot of reflection, especially this time of year. Now, reflection isn't about judgment, it's about growth. Every small win, every lesson learned, it's all a part of the journey. Number 2, set intentions, not resolutions. Instead of setting those rigid New Year's resolutions that often fizzle out by February, let's talk about setting intentions instead. Think about an intention as your why. Now, intentions are powerful when they are deeply personal and meaningful. For example, your intention could be, I want to improve my health so I can feel confident in my body and have more energy to do the things that I love. Or I want to improve my health so that I can prevent chronic disease and, God willing, live a long and healthy life with my loved ones and fulfill my purpose. Now, I want you to take that intention and pair it with an actionable and realistic goal. For example, if your intention is to improve your health, one actionable and realistic goal might be, I will add a serving of vegetables to one meal each day. Or for example, if your intention is to improve your consistency with eating healthier, one actionable and realistic goal is, I'll prepare one home-cooked meal per day. Again, the concept is pairing intentions with actionable and realistic goals. Number 3, shifting your mindset for positive change. Here's the thing, true health change that's sustainable does not come from an all or nothing approach. It's about small and consistent steps that you can actually stick to. This upcoming year, I want you to shift your mindset. Instead of thinking things like, I need to lose all this weight or I need to cut out sugar completely, try asking yourself questions instead. Questions like, what habits make me feel better? What habits make me feel my best? What habits get me closer to my health goals? How can I feel more energized? The goal is to add value to your life, not take away from it. And guess what? Those small steps that you're taking, eating nutritious foods, moving your body, managing stress, they build momentum. And you need momentum to make progress. And progress is progress, no matter how small it is. Here's the other truth. Change requires change. And that change is not always easy. That's why mindset is huge when it comes to changing behaviors. Now, with that, tomorrow afternoon, I will be going live. As I record this, it is New Year's Eve. So, of course, have your fun tonight and join me tomorrow afternoon because I will be diving deeper into mindset shifts. This is to help get the new year off on the right foot as we're preparing to make positive, healthy changes in 2025. All right, now back to it. Number 4 is remembering that there is power in community. You don't have to do this alone. Surround yourself with people who inspire and encourage you. If you're looking for a community that provides support, guidance, and accountability, I got you covered. Just take a look in the description box. But the most important thing is to start. Start small, start imperfectly, just get started. Because every step you take can be a step towards becoming the healthiest, happiest version of you. So as the clock strikes midnight, I want you to think of this as your year. The year you prioritize your health and your well-being. You are capable of incredible things. I'm here to remind you of that and to remind you that small, intentional changes lead to big transformations. So here's to you. Let's step into the new year with confidence, clarity, and the belief that you're worth the effort. Cheers to a healthier, stronger, and more vibrant you in 2025. Happy New Year.